So I am all excited with the first episode of Coffee with Ankita. And yes, today we have got a teenage girl, a very sweet, smart girl who plays this ball on the wheels. My God, I can't do it on my foot, and she does it on the wheel. So let us welcome, not wasting my time, let us welcome Miss Mishka Singhal. Can I have a big round of applause? Come, Mishka. So, Mishka Singhal, how are you? So, first of all, following our Assam traditions, let us first of all give respect to Mishka because she has done a lot for not only our state but soon she is going to represent India also. So, she's a national volleyball player, Mishka Singhal. So, I hope you all are excited to hear it out all from her. So now let's start our chat show. So first of all, how are you, Mishka?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm also good. How are you feeling today?
I was pretty nervous, but I was excited to share my experience with everyone.
Wow, such a confident girl. So can you please say something? Can you share what is volleyball and what is it all about?
Rollerball is a game where we dribble the ball that you saw earlier, and we pass it to our teammates. There are two teams playing at the time, and then we there's a goalpost like the football one, and then we smaller, and there we throw it. We wear the skates.
Oh my God, she is skates.
Yes.
Like in the normal football, you pass the ball and normally,
Yeah.
and in volleyball you wear the skates and then you pass the ball.
Yes, and we throw it.
Oh wow! Isn't it great, guys? Is it so difficult for us to even balance the ball with our hands? And she does it on skates. So Mishka, you must be making a lot of practice and.
Yeah, practice is the thing that makes it more perfect.
So do you get time for your studies and other work?
Yeah, when playing football and any sport, I think we have to manage the time. We have to prioritize our time, academics, sports, and outing and everything. So that's how I do it. We have to manage the time.
So there must be you must be missing out on the events on birthday parties, holidays.
Holidays, my mother planned it according to my competitions. And if there is a date of competition, then she doesn't plan it then. And sometimes I go to birthday parties and miss my skating, but then I have to cover it up with practice on some other day and like that.
Oh wow! So all the children, even if we practice with games or we are planning our career with games, so we do not have to compromise on studies or we do not have to compromise on the birthday parties, events, something. She's just a normal girl, a teenage girl who enjoys her life, who had actually balanced her life very well. Sorry for the technical glitch. I know you must all be enjoying it and there was a disruption. But now we'll go again and chat with our very talented Mishka. Yes, Mishka. So now just tell me about when you started and about your journey, everything. Just tell me about your journey, how you started and all about it.
Today I feel like rollerball is my everything. It is my passion and I can't live without it. I feel like my life is incomplete. When I play rollerball, I feel alive and more energetic and I don't want to stop. But the day I started rollerball, that was on 10th October 2018, I felt different. Like I felt confused. How could someone wear skates and play with the ball? It just seemed difficult. But like almost a year later, when I started playing it, I understood and I now know that it is my passion and I can't live without it.
Oh wow. So if you're having passion and you follow your passion, so I think nothing is impossible, just like Mishka. And yes, she's saying right, even today when she just bought her skates and ball, I thought it's so difficult to balance ball, how is she doing on skates? So Mishka, who is your inspiration?
I have a few people actually to mention. First, the seeing her passion for the sport also makes me realize that yeah, I can do. If there are people who believes in me, even I have to believe in me. And then I have my coach, Kargil sir. He is an Indian team player, and I am so proud to have a coach. He is an Indian player. He has represented India 2 times. So it really inspires me, and I also want to play for India one day. So that is our inspiration.
Oh wow! So in this at this moment, I would just like to have a big round of applause for her mother, Natasha Singhal, her father, Nitesh Singhal, and her coach, sir, Kargil sir. Right? A big round of applause for giving us such a diamond to represent our country in the future. You know, till now, we are, if you say before COVID or till today, there are many misconceptions about sports. You know, we all should believe that. खेलेगा इंडिया तभी बढ़ेगा इंडिया. So guys, don't be afraid of playing. All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy, and you never know, you can be the next Mishka Singhal. So all the skaters out there, don't forget to practice, follow your passion. So getting over to Mishka, what would you like advise to the present skaters, like how they build their career? Yeah, like what you would say? What should they follow?
There are many skaters in Guwahati, but not many rollerball players. Rollerball is an Indian originated game, so I would like many more students and parents to get involved in this game, to promote this game. So I would want everyone to try at least one time and not judge right now and see the game, and I'm sure you're gonna love it.
Oh wow! I didn't knew that rollerball is an Indian origin game. So, do you also you all were also knowing that is rollerball an Indian origin game? If yes, do comment on the comment box, and you might win our lucky hamper. So she's saying that rollerball is very new to India, and yes, we must all give it a try. All the skaters out there, you are having a very bright scope to build your career in the field of rollerball, and you never know, you will be the next one to represent India in the Olympics. Yes, you heard me right, Olympics, and our Mishka is also trying hard for Olympics. So Mishka, what else you would like to like say us or say our like young generation?
That it is not only about football, it is about sports. Like there are pressure that you can only choose academics or sports. I have a dream to play for India as well as become a doctor in academics. I want to be a doctor orthopedist because there are many children who get injured. Even I got injured. Their bones they get injured and they can't continue the sport. So I want to be orthopedic to treat young children so they don't have to give up their dream just because of an injury.
Oh wow, what a pleasant thought. She wants to be an orthopedic surgeon all after being a rollerball national level player. You know, it takes a lot of hard work to do that. So friends, if you are playing, it does not mean that you have to compromise on your studies. And yes, she said it very right that because of this small injury, like we have to compromise in sports, and it's such a beautiful thought that she wants to be an orthopedic surgeon to enable the young sports player to get rid out of it and continue their passion. So Mishka, how do you feel today, and what was your feeling before? Like if you compare.
Today is like I know rollerball. It's like a part of my life. But before it was like no, I don't know, I can't do it. There was that feeling, but I had my mother and my family to support me from behind, who supported me no matter what sport I played. Many of you, I'm sure, that doesn't even know about rollerball. So I chose this sport because this is not a common sport, and I want to promote it. I want to be the reason like this sport goes ahead. That's why.
So this is what the Rainbow Horse believes in, like to promote and to develop the sports area. She really plays well, and with her team, like yes, I hope that in future I'll be calling all her teammates and we will give more discussion about rollerball so that it becomes more common, just like cricket. So like just like cricket, it is being telecasted everywhere, and we are just praying, Mishka do the goal, Mishka do the goal. So if you have any queries or any question, you can just message us. We'll be there to respond. Till now, like we are having conversation with Ms. Mishka. So Mishka, like how much credit you will give it to yourself and how much credit will you give to others? Others means I'm not like others means your parents, your family, your friends, your coach.
So I say now I would say like 50-50, but before it was not me. I was like afraid to play the sport, but then there were people who said it's your choice. But if you want to play it nicely and just give it a try. So I would give credit to my parents, my coach, and the head, the one who made me introduce to Rulbal, Burman sir.
Okay. So is Pawan sir the head of the Rollball Association?
Yes, in Assam he is.
Oh wow. So all thanks to Burman sir too. So bringing such a like building such a good talent out here and bringing such good sport out in Assam. So like I would request each and every one of you to have a look about this sport, to read more about this sport, so that it get more it get more importance, and in future it catches its pace. So if you have any queries regarding roll ball, so Mishka, will you be like there to handle their queries, and will you be, suppose if someone calls you after seeing your interview, so will you help them how to go
Yes,
ahead?
I would do anything to promote my sport.
Wow, such a great spirit. Like she is ready to help people, she is ready to promote sports, she is ready to help others. So remember friends, you can't walk alone. You have to hold hands and then walk alone. She's also not only the role ball player, I forgot to mention, she also won many gold medals in speed skating. Am I right?
Yes.
So the girl on the wheels, I would say her, the girl on the wheels. So what do you think when you're on the wheels and you're just walking like
It's
what?
like I can't hear anyone else. It's like I can put my thoughts in myself and I think me time. You know, everyone has that me time.
Oh,
I
wow.
has it when I'm playing speed or roll ball.
So I think that's her mantra of success. When she's playing, that's a me time, because when I'm in my me time zone, so I also enjoy the time a lot. So I think being the me time and being in sports and considering it as a me time is a very good mantra. So like what else you would like to say, and like what else you would like to say about your mom or your dad, like how they have helped you and how they are helping you. So do you go for movies, or yeah, do you go for holidays?
Yeah. They all obviously have to compromise that because like if they want to go somewhere but I have my competition, I feel bad, but they encourage me that it's okay. We will do somewhere. We will go somewhere else, and also it really and encourages me that if they are ready to compromise for me, then I should also compromise for myself. Nah, that's why.
Oh, you're not compromising, Mishka. You are investing your time on yourself. And your mom and dad is also very smart. I'll let you meet them at the end of the show. And you all will come to know how smart they are, that they are investing their time on Mishka. And like seriously, it's a very big thing for all the parents. And parents also have to they play a major role in building the career of their kids. So like now I would like to have first of all I would just like to share a short story. You know what happened once? I was also teaching my daughter skating. So you know, sir was saying, ऐसे just put the skates, or because most of us are do not know about skates. So क्या होता था, वो मैंने जूते की तरह था वो बांध दो, तो मैंने कहा यार इतना easy है, just we have to do and balance ऐसे करके चल लो. You know, I was like I guess 28 years तब, and I was like ठीक है मुझे तो आता ही है, भागना वागना सब आता है, I'll be able to balance myself. So I just put on the skate, and when I put my one step ahead, I slipped down. Yes friends, it is very difficult to balance yourself. So it's not an easy job. So remember, practice is the mantra. And now, first of all, I'd like Nishna to show your coffee mug, and I would like to pour a sip of coffee for her.
It is so true. We can't spell success without doing this.
We can't spell success without you, you all. Even she can't spell success without others, her parents, her friends, her family. You all, with the support of everyone only we can move forward. And remember friends, do not forget to join hands. We can't do anything alone in this world. So I would like to call upon her proud parents. May I have the privilege to call her father, Nitesh Singhal, and her mother, Natasha Singhal, wow, NNM, wow, what a triumph. So a big round of applause for them, friends.
Hello everyone.
So they are the proud parents of Mishka, and I would like to hear from them something about Mishka.
I think she's a blessing on earth and she's a blessing for us. She's the best thing that could happen to us.
So Bhaiya, what do you think about a success?
Mishka is a super talented girl and success cannot go anywhere since she is so hardworking and her mother is there in her support. So success is definitely is always on her way.
So I've often heard that success is like not only mother's cup of tea, but it is also about father, you know. So father is he's standing at back, you know, father is always at the back, you know, blessing and giving all the support to their children and to the mother as well. So a big round of applause for both the father and mother, like because I know I have seen her, I have seen her not closely, but I know how much she does for her and how much she is doing for her and how much she will do for her. A big round of applause for Bhabhi and Bhaiya. And at the end, I'd just like to have a group picture so that we can post it online and we can show how beautiful the family looks. Like after following the passion with all the hard work and with all the mutual understanding, with all the mutual help. So, Mishka, I would like to first of all thank you and I would
Thank you.
Yes, I would like to present you a small kind of gesture from the Rainbow House. So this is a small kind of gesture from the Rainbow House. Keep blessing everyone. You are a blessing for all of us, and keep making us proud. And keep coming to the Rainbow House. Yes or no, guys? I know the video was helpful. I hope the chat show was helpful and it will motivate a lot of children out there. Do not forget to share and let more and more children be aware of this sport, roll ball. And if you have any queries, you can contact Mishka. Should I say that? Or you can write your queries in the question box and we will answer you as soon as possible. So here we go, Ankita Agarwal from Coffee with Ankita. This was the first episode, so do not forget to like, subscribe and follow my page, The Rainbow House 22. So, thank you so much for being live and watching us.
Thank you. Thank you.
हो गया
I accept you.